Hi friends, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. And today, we're talking about something close to home.
Your neighborhood.
Festivals, markets, meetings, small events. All the little things happening around you.
And how to talk about them, simply, kindly and naturally. Last weekend, there was a street fair in my neighborhood. Food, music, kids laughing. I saw my neighbor and said, "Hey, are you going to the fair tonight?" She smiled and said, "Yes, I heard it's really fun."
I heard means someone told you, but you didn't see yet.
Later, we walked together and I said, "Let's check it out."
Check it out means go look, go see. Let's learn some useful neighborhood words. Event, something special that happens. Fair, fun outdoor party with food and music. Market, place to buy fresh food or local things. Neighbors, people who live near you.
Repeat after us. Event.
Fair,
Market.
neighbors. Great. Last month, my community had a meeting at the school. I asked someone at the door, "Excuse me, is this the meeting for our neighborhood?" They said, "Yes, come on in."
Come on in is friendly. It means please enter.
Inside, people talked about safety, traffic, and clean streets. After, I said to my neighbor, "Thanks for sharing your ideas." He smiled. We're all in this together.
That feels nice, like teamwork.
Listen to these real expressions. What's going on? What is happening? Let's catch up. Let's talk and share news. Better together. We can do more as a group.
Repeat with us. What's going on?
Let's catch up.
Better together. Nice. I'll ask, you answer. Are you going to the event?
Good. Try this. Do you know what time it starts?
Last one, want to go together?
Well done.
On Sunday morning, I went to the local market. I saw Adam and said, "Hey, fancy seeing you here."
Ha ha ha. That means I'm surprised but happy.
We bought fruit, talked to people, and I said, "I love how the community comes together."
Me too. It feels like home.
Sometimes I go to events, just for the snacks.
And sometimes I go for the free coffee.
Haha, nothing wrong with that. Repeat with us one more time. Event, market, neighbors, fair, beautiful.
Friends. When you join local events, you practice English and feel connected.
You don't need perfect grammar. You need courage and a smile. Try this in the comments. There is a community event in my neighborhood. We're proud of you. See you next time. Bye.